Hello, class! We're almost done for today, but first, let's practice a little phonics. We have a phonics test tomorrow, so I wanted to brush up on our special sounds. Back here, I brought home a fun review chart. Now, I have our pointer, lights up, which is cool. I'm going to point to a special sound, and I want you to tell me the special sounding clue word. You say it first, and then I'll say it, and we'll see if what we said matched. Here we go. What is this special sound? Very good. J in fudge, D-G-E. Now, right here we have the letter G, which makes the same sound as D-G-E. When G comes before E, I, or Y, G says J. So J in fudge, D-G-E, and then say the special sound for G. Nice. J in giant, G. Okay, do you remember this one? Only when it comes before E, I, or Y is it a special sound. Say the clue word. Yes. S in city, C. Okay. These have lines in front of them because what's the secret that goes before those special sounds? It's called a root word. So let's recite all of the special sounds on this fish together. N in sharpen, hyphen E-N. S in peaches, hyphen E-S. Lee in slowly, hyphen L-Y. Okay, let's go to this fish. S in biggest, hyphen E-S-T. In bigger, hyphen E-R. E in rainy, hyphen Y. If you look at the orange fish, these special sounds make the same sound, but they're spelled differently. Do you remember this one? This one was aw in saw, A-W. Together? Aw in saw, A-W. And this one? Aw in faucet, A-U. Excellent. Let's work our way down the chart. Look at this happy octopus here. He has the letter O on one of his tentacles. Now, we learned way back at chart 6 that when O comes at the end of a short word, it says O and go. But recently we've learned that O can make the sound of short U. And what's the clue word for that? Say the whole sentence. In shovel, O. This one, A can also sound like short U. Together, in banana, A. Very good. Now these 3 air bubbles, let's see if we can remember them. These 2 have a silent letter. In lamb. What letter do you not hear? Correct, you do not hear the B. What's this one? Yes. In phone, P-H. Now you don't really hear either one. It sounds like a completely different letter. It sounds like an F. In phone. But you definitely do not hear a P or a H. So that's something that you have to work on memorizing. This one, you only hear the long E sound. Say the sentence with me. E in brownie, hyphen I. Excuse me, that doesn't have a suffix. That's not a suffix. There's no root word. Let's try that again. E in brownie, I-E. Very good. Look down here. There's only one difference between these 2 special sounds. Do you see what it is? Yes. Ought in thought is O-U-G-H-T, and ought in caught is A-U-G-H-T. Let's see what else we have here. Let's do one more. Let's do CH and TCH. Now, CH we know can say what 2 special sounds? ch in church or k in chorus. TCH sounds a lot like ch in church, but we don't just circle the CH if there's a T, because TCH is also a special sound. Let's say that sentence. Ch in patch, TCH. Very good. All right, I'm going to take my poster down. We're going to look real quick at a word that I have on the board. A couple words. Okay, I have 3 words on the board. Look at this first word. In this first word, there are 2 special sounds. Okay, let's see. Let me grab a marker over here. Okay. In this first word, the first special sound that I see is SH. Did you see that? Say the sentence. Sh in ship, SH. OULD is also a special sound. That is ud in could, OULD. Oh, I see it down here also. Ud in could, OULD. In fact, the whole word is could. When you add a C at the beginning of the special sound, it creates a word. K, ud, could. Okay, one more. Do you see a special sound that we just talked about today? I see it. Ud in could, OULD. When you put a W in front of it, that makes the word would. Would you please be my friend? Okay, one more thing I would like to do is play a quick game with you. In this basket, I have some little Easter eggs. And in these Easter eggs is a word. So if you have a dry erase board or just a piece of paper would work also, I would like you to take it out. I'm going to take my little basket here, little bunny rabbit, and I'm going to pick out an egg. And whatever word is on this egg, you're going to listen to me say it and try to write it. You can pause me while you get what you need. So you either need a dry erase board and a marker or a piece of paper and something to write with. Here I go. Crack it open. Okay, your first word to write is fold. Now, there's a special sound, old. Do you remember what that one is? Old in old, O-U-L-D. Then put a f in front of it. What consonant says f? Yes, F. So fold is spelled F-O-U-L-D. Did you get it? If you did, give yourself a great big smiley face. Hey, let's pick out one more. Oh, let's take this one. I like this one. Look, it's got a crazy face. Let me crack it open. Ooh. All right, this one has 2 special sounds in it. See if you can hear them. The word is morning. So let's start with the beginning sound. What consonant says Write that down. Or, what special sound says or? And then you have a consonant more, ing. Morning. It's a 2-syllable word. Morning. All right, let's check your work. Morning is spelled M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Hope you got it right. If you did, give yourself a great big smile. You had a few workbook pages to do. I didn't have them in your binder, so if your parents were able to print them off, that is terrific. This is one of the pages that you could work on this week. The directions are at the top. The bottom, where it says the word challenge, it wants you to match homonyms. A homonym, homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. For example, to, TWO, and to, TO. TWO is a number word, and 2O is a preposition, which you'll learn when you get older. Turn the page to 112. I want to focus on this part right here. You can read the directions for the rest of it, but let's do this activity right here together. It says write a word using each special sound. So the first special sound that they gave you is THR. Thir. Thir in 3, that's right. So think of a word that has thir in it. Let's see. 3, which is the clue word that we're used to. Throw. I bet you could spell that word. Throw. THR. And then what special sound says O? OW. Throw. Throw. O in bowl. Okay, look at this sand dollar. SP. We need a word that goes with that one. Sp in spade, like a shovel. Let's think of a new one. Spike. SPIKE. Spin. You can sound that one out. Spin. Spin. Coal. Coal in clock, or coal in clown. CLOWN. Fur. Fur in frog, or fur in free. FREE. Okay, if you were able to get the page printed, you'll finish this page. And then we also had this page today. We don't usually have 3. We usually just have 1. So if you want to spread it out over the week, that would be fine. But we're just trying to catch up a little bit. That was your letters and sounds. Now in your language, this is the page that should be printed. The directions are up here. You fill in the blank with the correct word. Down here, you circle the word that comes first in ABC order. Remember, when we're working in alphabetical order, you look at the first letter of each word, and then you say which one comes first in the alphabet. So, P, you see it up here, I think it's going to be backwards for you, but you can follow along on your paper. Pail, P, sand, S, water, W. P comes before S and W in the alphabet. And you'll do the same. Okay, so then we had 112. This is going to help you with your thinking while you're reading. Read the story, answer the questions. Use the picture to help you write a sentence. For a sentence to be complete, it needs to have a head and feet. Head is the capital, nice and tall. Feet are the punctuation marks, so it doesn't fall. So make sure that you change that little I to a capital I and put a period. Make sure you change that big O, the little O to a big O and put a period. And then last, page 113. If I were a beach ball. They started the story for you, and I want you to come up with 1 or 2 more sentences. You can use these words up here to help you. And then write the opposite. The opposite of up is down. The opposite of yes is no. All right, we do have a phonics test tomorrow, so thank you for watching this video to kind of brush up on our special sounds. You still have your special sound game that you can play and your special sound CD if you feel that you need any help with that. I'm always here for you. You can just send me a quick text and ask me any question you have. I've had a great time sharing this information with you and excited to see you continue to get smarter and smarter every day.